I created this country-style kitchen, I knew that the island was an important consideration, not just because it had to work with that amazing backdrop, but also because it links with this large open-plan lounge and dining area. And it started with the decision about the bench space. Bench space is always important, but in an island it has to be practical as well as adaptable. In this case, I moved the sink right up to one side, making a practical space to create the family meal. But that also made an adaptable space because now I've got plenty of room when it comes time to entertain my family and friends. Because this room is so large, I was able to add extra storage as well as even more bench space by extending the island into the room. That extra depth has allowed extra storage at the bar back of the island, which is really valuable for things that I don't use every day. And the bonus is even more practical bench space. Whilst designing involves some serious decisions, you can also have a bit of fun along the way and get your personality infused into the home. Here I wanted a statement tapware, a bit of bling, and this is important because this island is on show all of the time. Here I got a great looking tap, but it's also functional because I've got a pull-out spray. And what a sculptural piece it is as well.